your boy Zeus back at it again. I'm giving you guys a little rundown on a night shot. So, give you guys a nice walk around. The background, as you can see, looking crazy. Right now it's outside raining, but I'm like, yo, let me give you guys a little night shots, a little night walk around, because the background is crazy out here. Some of my body lights turn off. I don't know why, because I had hit a bump earlier coming in, so it could be that, but it's crazy.